Is your child ready to switch from a rear-facing car seat to a front-facing car seat? It can be a little daunting for parents to make the switch, especially when it comes to installation. So Toyota of Clermont is here to give you a little help and some step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Make sure your child is ready for a front-facing car seat. Have they met the height and/or weight requirements for a front-facing car seat? If not, they should stay in a rear-facing car seat until they do. Step 2. Check your owner's manual and your car seat instruction manual to see where the car seat should be placed for maximum safety. A lot of cars, like our new Toyotas, have latch systems in place. LATCH stands for Lower Anchors and Tethers for Children, and it's a set of anchors built into the seats that you can use to keep a car seat in place. However, some seats don't work with the latch system and need to be installed using a seatbelt. Step 3. Move your front seats up. This will give you more room to install the car seats and save you a whole lot of frustration. Also, make sure the back seat is clear of clutter. Step 4. Place the car seat on the seat and find the anchors. You should put your car seat in place and find the anchors. Attach the car seat tethers to the anchors so they are in place and ready to be tightened. If you're not using the latch system, put the seatbelt in place according to the car seat instruction manual. Step 5. Tighten the straps. Next, tighten the tether straps from inside the car seat. If you're not using the latch system, tighten the seatbelt the same way. A side note, put pressure on the car seat while tightening. Your best bet is to lean on the car seat or even kneel inside of it so it's firmly against the seat. If there's a top tether, tighten that as well. Don't let up the pressure until you're done tightening the straps completely. Step 6. Have it inspected. Did you know you can go to your local fire station or police station and have your car seat inspected to ensure it's installed properly? It's free too, so take advantage of this helpful service to make sure your child is as safe as it gets when you hit the road. Want more car seat safety tips or looking for a family-friendly vehicle? Call Toyota of Clermont today at 404-352-7000. See you soon!